Hello everyone. Are you feeling sluggish, bloated, or lacking vitality? So it may be time to cleanse your body and mind with a 7-day Ayurvedic morning detox. Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, emphasizes the importance of eliminating toxins from the body to maintain good health and prevent disease. When toxins build up, they can lead to poor digestion, weight gain, low energy, and even illness. By following a simple morning routine to detoxify your body, you can improve your overall health and well-being. In this video, we will guide you through a 7-day Ayurvedic morning detox that will help you cleanse your body naturally and boost your energy daily. So let's get started. Why morning detox matters. Early morning is the best time to detoxify your body because that's when your digestive system is most active and ready to eliminate waste. By starting your day with a clean and energized body, you set the tone for a healthy and productive day. How to prepare. Before beginning the detox, it's important to prepare your body and mind. For 3 days before the detox, start consuming light, easily digestible foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Avoid heavy, greasy, or processed foods. Also, get plenty of rest and drink lots of water. On the first day of the detox, wake up early between 4:30 and 6 a.m. This will help your body adjust to the new routine. Drink a glass of warm water upon waking up to stimulate your digestive system. What to avoid? During the detox, avoid all white foods like sugar, salt, flour, and dairy products. These foods can hinder the detox process and reduce its effectiveness. It's also important to avoid caffeine, alcohol, tobacco, and processed foods during these 7 days. Your day-by-day guide. Here's your day-by-day breakdown of the Ayurvedic morning routine. Day 1, 2, 3. Start each day with an empty stomach and follow the morning routine. After the 3rd day, you will experience less hunger in the mornings and feel more energetic. Day 4 to 7. Tongue scraping. Gently scrape your tongue from back to front, using a tongue scraper or a toothbrush to remove bacteria and toxins. Warm lemon water. Drink a glass of warm water with lemon juice to aid digestion and boost your immune system. Herbal tea. Sip on cumin, coriander, and fennel tea throughout the day to cleanse your digestive system and promote healthy bowel movements. Oil pulling. Extract 20 ml of coconut oil and pull it in your mouth for 10 to 20 minutes. This practice helps remove toxins from your mouth and promotes oral health. Pranayama. Practice alternate nostril breathing, Kapalbhati, or Ujjayi breath to cleanse your respiratory system and improve lung capacity. Asanas. Perform simple yoga stretches such as Paschimottanasana, Bhujangasana, and Talasana to promote blood circulation and flexibility. Meditation. Take a few moments to sit in silence and focus on your breath. This can help calm your mind and reduce stress. Detox drinks and remedies. CCFT. Cumin, coriander, and fennel seeds are powerful herbs that have been used for centuries in Ayurveda to cleanse and detoxify the body. Simply boil 1 teaspoon of these seeds in 1 cup of water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the mixture and drink it throughout the day. You can add a little honey to it too. Triphala water. Triphala, which means 3 fruits in Sanskrit, is a popular Ayurvedic herbal formula made with the dried extracts of 3 fruits, amla, bibitaki, and haritaki. These fruits are rich in antioxidants and have been used for centuries to cleanse and rejuvenate the body. To make triphala water, add 1 teaspoon of triphala powder to 1 cup of water and boil it for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the mixture and drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. Detox smoothie. In the evening, prepare a smoothie with bananas, spinach, yogurt, chia seeds, and ginger juice. Bananas provide potassium, spinach provides iron, yogurt provides probiotics, chia seeds provide fiber, and ginger juice provides antioxidants. All these nutrients will help flush out toxins from the body. Daily movement and breathwork. It's important to stay active during the detox process to promote blood circulation and assist in the elimination of toxins. Go for a 20-minute walk every day or practice some light yoga asanas such as downward facing dog, cat-camel pose, standing forward bend, cobra pose, and seated meditation. Along with asanas, practice pranayama like Kapalbhati, alternate nostril breathing, or Ujjayi breath to cleanse your respiratory system and promote oxygen circulation in your body. Ayurvedic diet tips. During the detox, it's important to continue eating light, warm, and sattvic foods. Sattvic foods are those that are fresh, wholesome, and free from toxins. They include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts. These foods are easy to digest and provide the body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally. It's also important to eat mindfully and avoid distractions while eating. This allows your body to fully digest the food and absorb all the nutrients. Try to eat at regular intervals throughout the day to keep your metabolism strong. Signs of detox working as you follow this morning routine. Pay attention to any changes you experience. Increased energy levels, improved digestion, clearer skin, weight loss, reduced allergies or respiratory issues, and a lighter, more energetic feeling are all signs that the detox is working and cleansing your body effectively. Common mistakes. To avoid overdoing it with herbs, skip the extra herbs and spices during the detox process. This can lead to digestive discomfort and other issues. Skip any meals, as this can cause your body to go into starvation mode and hinder the detox process. After the detox, after completing the 7-day detox, gradually reintroduce solid foods into your diet, starting with light, easily digestible options. Continue practicing the morning routine for optimal health benefits. Remember, the goal is not to over-detox your body, but to establish a sustainable, healthy routine that you can maintain in the long run. Can do it. By committing to this 7-day Ayurvedic morning detox, you can cleanse your body naturally and boost your energy levels daily. It's important to start your day with intention and purpose, and this morning routine provides the perfect foundation for doing so. So wake up early, follow the simple steps outlined in this video, and experience the transformative power of Ayurveda for yourself. Namaskar.